Hello again. This is a video on Flipgrid. Okay, so if you are finished, sorry, ignore that. Okay, you finished with your notes for Tuesday. Your Wednesday, what's it called? Slide deck is complete and you're looking for something else to do, or your Thursday vocab. Basically, if you're finished early with your Wednesday or Thursday assignment, I want you to go to Flipgrid. So where it says week 2 done early, this will say Flipgrid, whatever. You're looking for Flipgrid, okay, somewhere in your week 2 classroom classwork. And when you get to Flipgrid, I don't know how this works exactly, so remember, we're learning together. You're going to see something that looks like this, and there's a couple of features I want you to know that are available to you on Flipgrid. One, if you see the little book symbol with the microphone symbol, this, says Immersive Reader. So when you click that, this is what will show. And as you click on the words, like let's say you're reading this and you're like, the reading what? I don't know what this is.
Passage.
Okay, you can click that and it tells you what the word is. Also gives you a little picture as to what a passage is. In this case, a reading passage is not this image. The reading passage is like the Google Doc article that you were reading for your slides assignment. Okay, so to get out, just click on the back window. And notice that you have 1 out of 4 of these questions that you have to answer with a sentence stem. Now, choose carefully. Look at the sentence stems and choose the sentence stem that you want to answer. When you know the one you want to answer, this is what I recommend. I recommend copying and pasting. So remember we did that with the images. So you highlight what you want to copy. Then right-click, copy. I recommend going to a new Google Doc and using this Google Doc to paste your questions and sentence stems. This way we can use, and again to paste, we double-click or right-click and paste. Oops, Control Z. We're gonna try, make sure that when you click paste, to paste without formatting. Otherwise, you're gonna get a ton of stuff. Choose the one that you want and delete what you don't. So if you want to do number 1, not 2, 3, or 4, delete the rest because otherwise it's too confusing, okay? Simpler is better. And to make this smaller, I have a Mac, so I don't have the Windows function that y'all do. I'm just gonna separate my tabs. I'm gonna get rid of this. I'm gonna get rid of that. Okay, then I'm going to take my Flipgrid and drag my Flipgrid over. Now, when I'm creating my Flipgrid video, I will be able to look at the question along with the sentence stem I'm answering as I'm creating my Flipgrid video. This is important because I do want you speaking in a complete sentence if you're doing this activity. So there's no discussions in here yet because I haven't released this to you. You would click record, or you would click, I guess as an educator, mine looks different. You will also see record a response. I have a video here that you can watch for directions on what to do for the actual Flipgrid assignment. And I would like you to respond to 3 other persons with 3 of your classmates, if they have it done, with a video response of your own. So again, you are speaking with the sentence stem, okay? You are putting your response in the Flipgrid, and you are responding to 3 classmates with a video response. Make sure that we are polite and that we are respectful. If you do disagree with a classmate, that's okay. You say, I respectfully disagree because, and make sure you give a legitimate reason and you're not using judgment words, right? We're being very specific with our language and allowing each other to grow, right? This is a learning and growing opportunity. Okay, fingers crossed this works. If you have any questions, please put it in the Meet chat. and happy Flipgridding!